Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 through update. Directly open Windows Update. As you can see, I have an update ready for Windows 11. Just click download and install and accept the terms, and then it will start downloading. Once it's 100%, it will ask you for restart. I will switch to my mobile recording. Okay, click restart. So this is simple and easiest method. If your computer supports Windows 11, then this is the easiest way to install Windows 11. Once the restart is done, then directly your Windows 11 screen will pop up and you can just log in and use your Windows 11. Thank you. Thanks for watching.